Welcome back to the Foundations of Science course at Michigan State University. So we've just finished looking at psychology, where we found out that the human mind is not distinct from the body. Because of this, there can be ways we fail to receive information correctly, like with the optical illusions, or we fail to process or store that information in the case of different biases. These types of information processing errors has led and continues to lead to atrocities in our society. Understanding that the way we are wired can sometimes lead to these errors sets the stage for understanding why science can be a powerful source of knowledge and a tool in overcoming these limitations. This week, we'll be looking at the comparison between astrology and astronomy. Most of the material we will be covering for astronomy, though, falls under the discipline of physics. Physicists study the nature and properties of the universe, from smaller than an atom to more vast than a galaxy, which is a very grand topic. But when you boil it down, they are mainly studying two concepts, matter and energy. Within the field of physics, you may have different subdisciplines, including electricity and magnetism, thermodynamics, mechanics, nuclear and quantum physics, optics, like light and vision, and acoustics, like sound and hearing. Unlike the previous lesson, the material we'll be covering doesn't really fall squarely under one of the subdisciplines, but they are basic concepts that underlie many of them. Specifically, we'll be looking at the four fundamental forces that act between bodies of matter, and some basic examples of how two of those forces, electromagnetism and gravity, are expressed in forms of energy we see around us. Hopefully by examining these, we can also understand the differences between astrology and astronomy better. So let's get started.